Ever wished you could shut down your computer with just a simple keyboard shortcut? No mouse, no hassle. Just boom, done in seconds. In today's video, I'm showing you the ultimate keyboard shutdown trick for Windows 11. Stick around because this one's a game changer. So, let's jump right in. Alright, here's the magic. Press Window plus X to open the Power User menu. Just hit U keyboard and click the arrow down to select Shutdown. That's 2 quick taps to shut down your PC like a pro. And there you have it. Windows 11 just got even smarter with these keyboard tricks. Save time, impress your friends, and take control like a tech wizard. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this. Have a favorite shortcut I didn't mention? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy computing!